Hello everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I have 4 ideas to keep your home smelling amazing, and especially here for the fall season. First idea is your own DIY Reed Diffuser, and you will need a bottle with a small opening, and you will need a carrier oil. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil. Anything that doesn't have really a clear scent, coconut oil is okay as well. Here I'm showing olive oil, which is what I used, and I used a cup of olive oil and poured it inside my jar. The scented oils or essential oils of my choice or your choice, and here I use cinnamon, orange, and a hint of vanilla, and what ratio I used was 3-1. And give it a good stir, and you can purchase I use bambooed Reed Diffuser sticks that I had ordered from my wholesaler, and I have read where some people use the actual skewer sticks from your local dollar store, so you can give it a try and see if that works as well. Idea number 2, light a candle. Very simple, very easy, and the aroma just flows throughout your home. This candle here is my candle that I do have on my website, angelicinteriordesigns.com, and it is called Angel Kisses. And the candle also adds a beautiful glow in the room as well as providing a beautiful scent to scent up your entire home. Now here we have the third idea, your very own DIY room spray. And you will need a bottle with a sprayer on it. You can use a glass bottle or a plastic one. And you will need some water and of course some witch hazel with the scent of your choice. It's about an 8-ounce bottle, and the witch hazel I used about 1/4 of a cup inside of that as well, with about 10 drops of your essential oil of choice. And here I have used sweet orange, and the other one is not pictured here, a hint of cinnamon for that fall scented aroma throughout the house as well. And you could just spray it on your faux flowers to keep them smelling nice and fresh. Not that they actually smell already, but you are adding a beautiful scent to them as well. And throughout your home, just a few little spritz around, and your home will smell amazing. Now here we have the fourth and final idea is your very own room deodorizer using baking soda. And here you will use again the essential oil of your choice with a cup of baking soda in a container, and you can use one that has a lid, so when you're done using it you can close it up and open it whenever you desire. And here you will just add your baking soda and about 5 to 10 drops of your essential inside of the baking soda. Give it a really good stir to blend it all well, and place it This particular item, I will place it up high, especially if you have little ones or pets in the house. And here I am placing it in the kitchen so that the aroma can go throughout this space. And these are just a few simple ideas that you can take away to get your home smelling nice and fresh and amazing for any season that is to come. Thank you for joining me. This has been Chanel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next one.